When you live, travel, or work in rural environments, reliable low-light gear isn't a luxury, it's part of staying prepared. In this video, we're covering 8 of the best low-light EDC tools designed for visibility, practicality, and everyday use, while also being available for international Amazon shipping. From powerful rechargeable headlamps and compact tactical flashlights to versatile multi-tools and emergency glow solutions, these picks are built to help you stay ready, whether you're outdoors, off-grid, handling power outages, or navigating after dark. Let's jump into the gear that delivers dependable performance when light is limited. Number 1. Ever fumbled for light when darkness hits fast? Camping, hiking, or working, that moment gets frustrating. Holding a flashlight should not slow you down, and weak lighting makes everything feel harder. Meet the OLIGHT Perun 3 rechargeable headlamp. It delivers up to 3,000 lumens of powerful brightness. That means large areas light up instantly and clearly. You get a better view without guessing every step. Need to work in low light? Switch on the red light with 2 brightness levels. Use the flashing mode for quick signaling when needed. It keeps your vision adapted and your hands free. Turbo mode sounds great until something gets too close. That is where the proximity sensor steps in. It automatically reduces output within 0.5 seconds. Safer use, fewer worries, better control. The large metal side buttons are easy to find. Even with gloves on, operation stays simple. Need a different setup? Detach the light and use it as a right-angle flashlight. One tool, more ways to work and explore. The upgraded headband feels secure and comfortable. A rugged stainless steel mount adds extra durability. Breathable materials and anti-sweat rubber improve long wear. Rain, dust, rough conditions, it handles them well. With IP68 waterproof and dustproof protection, it stays ready. From dark trails to job sites, it keeps up. Brighter, safer, easier, exactly what a headlamp should be. OLIGHT Perun 3 makes night work make sense. Get yours and stay ready for every dark moment. Number 2. Night hunting gets frustrating when animals vanish in the dark. White lights can spook deer, coyotes, and other game. Dark trails also make every step feel uncertain. Carrying extra batteries only adds more hassle. Regular headlamps often shine too broadly, wasting visibility. You need light that stays focused, quiet, and reliable. Lux Novac brings a powerful red beam built for hunting. Its red light helps you stay unseen at night. Animals stay calmer because there is no white glare. 3 modes give you control for different hunting moments. Use high for distance, low for close movement. Switch to strobe when you need attention fast. The zoomable beam adjusts from spot to flood easily. See farther when scanning open fields and wooded edges. Widen the beam when you need broader coverage. The 90-degree adjustable head helps aim light precisely. No need to tilt your body awkwardly anymore. Micro USB charging keeps power simple and convenient. Recharge it from a power bank, car, or wall. That means fewer interruptions during long nights outside. IPX6 waterproof protection handles rain and rough conditions. The lightweight strap stays comfortable through extended use. Remove the top strap if you prefer a simpler fit. Built for hunters, hikers, campers, and night watchers, it helps you spot movement without disturbing wildlife. You move with more confidence in every dark moment. You save time, energy, and unnecessary frustration. Bring home better visibility with a hunting light that works. Choose Lux Novac for calm, precise, dependable night hunting. Stay ready, stay quiet, and see what others miss. Number 3. Need a flashlight that actually keeps up outdoors? Meet the NICRON L74, built for real everyday carry. First reason: 1,000 lumens of serious, confidence-boosting brightness. It throws light far, reaching up to 138 meters. That means clearer trails, safer repairs, and faster searches. The 90-degree rotatable head adds instant lighting flexibility. Point it forward, downward, or anywhere you need. Great for camping setups, DIY work, and emergency moments. Second reason: dual power keeps you ready longer. Recharge the built-in battery easily with convenient USB charging. Charging indicator lights make power status simple to check. Need backup? Pop in a standard AA battery. That extra option means fewer worries in critical moments. Third reason, hands-free design makes work much easier. The magnetic tail sticks securely to metal surfaces. The reversible clip keeps it firmly attached to gear. Use both hands for fixing, cooking, or inspecting, and the compact body disappears easily into your pocket. At just 82 grams, it stays comfortable all day. Built from aluminum alloy, it feels tough and dependable. IP65 waterproofing handles rain, dust, and rough conditions. It is made for campers, DIYers, and emergency users. Whether you're outdoors or at home, it stays ready. Small size, big output, and practical design in one. Remember to remove the insulating sheet before first use. Then double-click to unlock the flashlight quickly. If you want a smarter, everyday flashlight, choose L74. It brings brightness, flexibility, and backup power together. Perfect for camping, repairs, blackouts, and unexpected situations. Tap now and make the NICRON L74 yours. Number 4. Meet the VIPERADE VAC 6S, built for real outdoor readiness. One compact tool, 3 essential functions, all in your pocket. Folding knife, LED flashlight, and pulse ignition in one. Perfect for campers, hikers, and serious EDC enthusiasts. When adventure calls, dependable gear makes all the difference. The folding knife uses high-strength 5CR15 Movi steel. Its black stonewash finish adds durability and tactical style. Sharp, reliable, and ready for everyday cutting tasks. A secure safety lock helps prevent accidental blade closure. That means safer handling during work or outdoor use. The built-in flashlight delivers 38 lumens of steady light. It runs for about 120 minutes on a full charge. Need quick power? The Type-C port makes recharging easy. A charging indicator keeps battery status simple and clear. Use it for campsites, trails, emergencies, or nighttime tasks. The pulse ignition is engineered for harsh environments. It provides around 100 ignitions when fully charged. Reliable fire-starting support when conditions get cold or wet. After ignition, lock the cover ring for added safety. Every detail is designed for practical, confident field use. The included rubber sheath protects your multi-tool on the go. A strong back clip secures it to your belt firmly. Carry it comfortably and access it quickly when needed. This compact design saves space without sacrificing performance. From fishing trips to hiking routes, it stays useful. For daily carry, it brings upgraded convenience everywhere. For outdoor challenges, it adds serious functional confidence. If you value efficiency, this multi-tool deserves attention. It combines utility, portability, and rugged reliability beautifully. Choose the VIPERADE VAC 6S and upgrade your everyday carry. Number 5. Dark trails make every step feel slower and riskier. Tiny flashlights often fade right when you need them most. Searching bags in panic wastes precious seconds during emergencies. Gloves can make ordinary buttons frustrating and unreliable. Replacing batteries again and again gets expensive and tiring. Low battery guesses leave you unprepared at critical moments. One beam rarely fits camping, work, and safety needs. Pasion EDC Tactical Flashlight changes that experience completely. Its 1500 lumen output cuts through darkness with confidence. The 200 meter beam helps you see far ahead. High, low, turbo, and strobe adapt to every situation. SOS mode adds a clear signal when trouble appears. Dual switches make operation fast, simple, and glove-friendly. No more fumbling for the wrong button in darkness. Mode memory brings back your last setting instantly. That means less adjustment and faster response every time. The side COB light adds practical, everyday versatility. Use white light for tasks, red for night safety. UV helps inspect stains, IDs, and hidden details. Red flashing mode improves visibility in urgent situations. USB-C charging removes battery stress from your routine. The digital display shows exact power at a glance. Lockout mode prevents accidental pocket activation and wasted charge. Stainless steel construction feels solid, durable, and dependable. IPX5 waterproofing and shock resistance handle rough conditions easily. This flashlight is built for camping, work, and emergencies. It gives you control when the environment feels uncertain. It gives you visibility when darkness tries to limit you. It gives you confidence every time you reach for light. For EDC users and campers, this is a smart upgrade. For emergency readiness, it's a tool you can trust. Number 6. The night is dark, but the work never stops. One small light can change everything in a hard moment. Meet the NEBO Big Larry 3, your pocket-sized hero. It delivers 600 lumens of confidence when you need it most. From repairs to camping, it stands ready beside you. Its 3-in-1 design fits real life, not just one job. Use it as a flashlight, work light, or task light. When spaces get tight, this light gets you through. 7 dimmable modes give you control in every situation. Bright enough for engines, gentle enough for close inspections. High mode shines at 600 lumens for serious visibility. Low modes help preserve battery during long nights. Red light mode supports safer, calmer emergency use. A red strobe can signal help when moments feel urgent. Its magnetic base frees your hands when work gets busy. Clip it to your pocket and keep moving with ease. Mount it on metal surfaces for steady, hands-free lighting. Under the hood, in the garage, or on the trail. Its tough, water-resistant body is built for demanding days. Impact resistance adds peace of mind on rough jobs. At just 0.5 pounds, it feels light in your hand. Compact enough to carry, powerful enough to depend on. Powered by included AA batteries, it's ready right away. No waiting, no searching, just open, hold, and shine. For DIYers, it turns frustration into steady progress. For mechanics, it brings clarity to every hidden detail. For campers, it brings comfort when the fire fades, because the right light makes every challenge feel smaller, and every task feels a little more possible. NEBO Big Larry. 3 bright light, warm support, always near, carry one in your pocket, and brighten your next job. Choose the light that works as hard as you do. Number 7. Tired of bulky UV lights that are hard to carry? You need power, but not another oversized tool. Pocket space is limited, especially when you're on the move. And weak UV means missed details and wasted time. That's where the UV Beast V3 365nm Mini steps in. Compact, lightweight, and built for real everyday use. It delivers professional-grade 365nm UV in a mini body. Same respected UV Beast power, now easier to carry. Slip it into your pocket, backpack, or travel kit. No more choosing between portability and performance. The upgraded UV beam is wider and more practical. You get stronger coverage with longer working time. That means better inspection, faster scanning, cleaner results. The pure 365nm output keeps visible light contamination low, so fluorescence looks clearer, sharper, and more accurate. That makes a real difference for professionals and collectors. Use it for minerals, banknotes, stains, and hidden marks. It's also great for travel, checks, and quick inspections. Charging is simple too. Just connect the USB cable. No disassembly, no hassle, no searching for special chargers, and the double-click power on prevents accidental pocket activation. A smart detail for daily carry and safer storage. The result is simple. More convenience, less frustration. You get serious UV power in a tiny package. That's why the Mini feels like a no-brainer upgrade. Better beam, better runtime, better portability, better control. If you want dependable 365nm UV anywhere, this fits. For work, hobbies, or travel, it just makes sense. Choose the UV Beast V3 365nm Mini today. Compact size. Professional UV. Ready when you are. Number 8. Darkness hits. And suddenly everything feels confusing and unsafe. Camping trips, storms, and blackouts can change plans instantly. Finding gear fast in the dark becomes frustrating. Emergency moments leave you wishing for quick, reliable light. That is why these glow sticks matter. Each stick is individually packed for easy grab-and-go use. The bright green glow cuts through darkness immediately. No batteries, no charging, no complicated setup needed. Just bend, shake, and light up the moment. They stay glowing for up to 12 hours. That means dependable light through long nights and emergencies. They are waterproof, so rain will not stop them. They are non-flammable, adding confidence during tough situations. They are made with non-toxic chemistry for safer use. Each stick comes with a lanyard for easy carrying. Keep one on your backpack, tent, or survival kit. Use them for camping, fishing, hunting, or boating. They also work perfectly for blackouts and hurricane prep. Party nights become easier with instant, colorful glow. Halloween decorations and trick-or-treat bags feel more exciting. Guests notice the fun atmosphere right away. The standard 6-inch size feels practical and convenient. Premium industrial-grade construction supports reliable everyday use. You get strong brightness without unnecessary hassle. One pack gives you 25 ready-to-use glow sticks. That means more coverage for family, friends, and events. Be prepared before the lights go out. Stay visible, stay ready, and stay calm. For emergencies or celebrations, these glow sticks deliver. Add them to your kit and feel prepared. Those were our top 8 low-light EDC essentials for rural environments compact. Practical tools that help you stay prepared wherever the day ends. Whether you need hands-free lighting, backup visibility, emergency readiness, or versatile everyday utility, each item on this list brings something valuable to your carry setup. If you enjoyed this video and discovered a new addition to your EDC kit, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more gear recommendations, everyday carry ideas, and smart tools built for real-world use.